Has anyone stopped to help you when you were in need? And when they did, how did you feel? Community involvement is a great way to give back to the community and those in need. You also get a good warm feeling whenever you know you helped someone that really needed it. When you do something big or small for the community, it does make a difference in someone's life. Today, I will discuss how our community is in need, what are some things we can do to help, and also the other side. I like to start off with poverty. There are families in poverty in the community, and some of these children in these families, the food at school is their only resource. So they do go home without food. The food pantries that help these families sometimes have to turn them away because they are limited on their food supply. These families also need clothes, jackets, and in worst cases, they need shelter. And unfortunately, shelters are limited and they do turn them away as well. According to Income and Poverty in the U.S. 2013, a September 2014 article from the U.S. Census Bureau, the official poverty rate went down from 15% in 2012 to 14.5% in 2013. That's good, but it's not great because no one should go hungry. The youth and the elderly are also in need in our community. According to The Value of Mentoring, a 2014 article at mentoring.org, youth are at risk for low self-esteem, substance abuse, criminal behavior, poor school performance, and that is why mentoring and tutoring is a need for them. The elderly in our community are also in need. Some of them still cannot read, so they do need help. And according to Why is Vision Loss a Public Health Problem?, a September 2009 article from the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, as the population of older people increase, so does vision loss, which for these people can lead to depression, loneliness, and compromising quality of life. Living independently is very important to the elderly, and we can help them with that need. There are also natural disasters like earthquakes, flooding, tornadoes, hurricanes, and fires that take place in our community. Therefore, the people who are affected by these disasters are desperately in need. The last need I'd like to bring up is health in the community. Our community every day is affected by disease and disorders. There are so many disease and disorders, so just put a few on the slide. The community, of course, is in need of a cure, but also to be educated on, if there is no cure, how to control or handle these disorders and diseases to continue every day. According to Volunteering in the United States 2013, a February 2014 article from the U.S. Department of Labor states, the volunteer rate for 2013 declined and was the lowest it's been since 2002. Maybe the decline could be due to the public not knowing how to get involved or thinking you have to do something big to make a difference. So I'd like to move on to going over what you can do in the community. You can donate. There are many things you can donate. Food, clothes, appliances, gifts, especially Toys for Tots during the holidays, blood and plasma. Whatever you donate, you know it will help someone. The next thing is you can volunteer. There are so many ways that you can volunteer, from big to small. And also, volunteers are the gift to the community. I've gone over some things here. Mentoring and tutoring the youth. You don't have to participate or be in a big organization. If you know someone personally in your neighborhood that needs mentoring and tutoring, you can volunteer there. Visiting the elderly, just having someone there to talk to brightens up their day. And then of course helping them around things around their home that they are unable to do. Cleaning up the environment, picking up trash, recycling, helping someone clean their yard and do repairs. Those are also ways you can volunteer. And the last one I'd like to mention is whenever possible, volunteer to help with a natural disaster. And moving on to charity. According to Types of Charity, 2014 article from Top Nonprofit LLC, there are 6 types of charities, and I've listed some of them here. Animal, environmental, international, health, education, culture and arts. Big or small, money donations are accepted, of course. And some of these charities even have events like fun runs, walks, festivals, and fundraisers. So I hope this gives you some ideas on what you can do. And also I have been on the other side of community involvement where I have needed help. My kids and I, in October 2010, were involved in a house fire. We woke up to the flames, but we managed to get out. And as we watched our house burn down, the fire chief did advise us it was a total loss. I remember feeling grateful that we made it out alive, and then also feeling hopeless and lost because we just moved from Texas and we didn't have any family and didn't know too many people, and we just lost everything. Then there was a tap on my shoulder, and a lady from the Red Cross said that she would help us get back on our feet. So we went back with her to her office, and she gave us a list of things to do. Insurance, replacing driver's license, credit cards, and also agencies that help people, victims in fires. And my coworkers came together with donation, charities, and moral support. Local churches also donated and delivered dinners for the week. And local businesses also donated. And then of course, friends as well. And we are so grateful to all those people who have helped us. We wrote letters, and we still don't think it can describe our gratitude. So we need to keep community involvement alive. The involvement helps humanity survive. As I said before, giving back, big or small, it does make a difference. And I've discussed with you the needs of the community, what you can do to help, and also my own personal experience on the other side. Just like to finish with a quote from Mother Teresa. Never worry about numbers. Help one person at a time, and always start with the person nearest to you. Thank you for your time.